Back in March, the Drug Enforcement Administration told us about the DEA Museum and Visitor Center numerous lecture series. Here to talk about the upcoming lecture that may be of interest to you is Carlos Verano. He's the Public Information Officer for the DEA El Paso Division. What's this lecture series about, Carlos?
Hi, Jay. The DEA Museum produces a series of educational lectures annually. They're designed to inform and educate the public in matters related to the mission of DEA. Some of the past topics include drug trends, science and forensic, collection of objects, the exploits and accomplishments of the men and women of the DEA, and many more topics. But on Thursday, June 17th at 11 a.m. Mountain Time, the lecture is going to be Disrupt, Dismantle, and Destroy Smuggling Stories.
I love that. That's a week from today. Now, that's going to be very interesting. Can you give us some additional details of what people can expect?
Of course, our museum curator of education is going to host a discussion with DEA experts about drug smuggling. They're going to discuss the DEA kingpin strategy. They're going to talk about disrupting smuggling routes, discovering and seizing shipments of illegal narcotics, weapons, cash, and other goods. The panel is also going to speak about DEA's work in thwarting the efforts of international drug trafficking organizations and the unique enforcement challenge that is the southwest border. Viewers are going to get to hear information on smuggling artifacts from our museum collection as well.
All right, and I understand you got the hookup on the tickets, Carlos. Tell our viewers where they can get them free on Eventbrite.
That's correct. You have to register to get a free ticket, though. You'll get a link after you register so you can watch the live stream. It's going to be emailed to all the ticket holders. We even have sign language interpreters if somebody wants to watch. To get your free tickets to the lecture this coming Thursday, June 17th at 11 a.m., just go visit DEAmuseum.org.
Okay, always coming through with the best information, Carlos. We always appreciate you coming on the show each and every week to let our KTSM viewers know what's going on.
You're welcome, Jay.
No problem. We're going to have more news and weather right after the break.